Hello boys and girls, I am Auntie Anisha. We are going to learn about foods that come from animals and foods that come from plants that help us to grow big, tall, and strong. First, we're going to look at the foods that come from plants. You have peas, beans, carrots, cucumber, cabbage, and a lot more that help us to grow big and strong. There are some persons who only eat foods from plants. Those persons are called vegetarians. Can you say the word with me? Vegetarians. Awesome, good job. So the persons who eat foods from plants are called vegetarians. There is a vegetable song that I would love to sing for you.
Cabbage, carrot, cucumber, lettuce are all vegetables. Vegetables are good for you. Vegetables are good for me. Vegetables are good for you. Vegetables keep us healthy. Vegetables keep us healthy. Vegetables keep us healthy.
It's time to talk about foods from animals, and some of the food from animals are pork, chicken, beef, and mutton. Now that you know the names of some foods that come from animals and plants, can you name some foods that come from plants? Yes, you have peas, beans, cabbage, carrots. Awesome! Now, can you name some foods that come from animals? Pork, chicken, beef, and mutton. Good job! And guess what? We are supposed to give God thanks for all the foods that He provides for us that comes from plants and animals. Do you want me to show you how I give thanks? Okay, clasp your hands and close your eyes. For health and strength and daily food, we praise thy name, O Lord, amen. You should give thanks too. Yes, God provide all those foods from the animals and the plants for us to eat so that we can grow big, tall, and strong. Okay, so what are the persons who eat meats called? Meat eaters. And what are the persons that eat vegetables are called? Vegetarians. The persons that eat vegetables are called vegetarians. Awesome, good job. Today you did a great job. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You are a bright star. Bye.